Revenue management today has evolved into a structured commercial discipline, integrating forecasting, pricing strategy, distribution management, analytics, technology systems, and cross-functional decision-making. Hotels now rely on commercial teams to interpret demand signals, manage pricing across multiple channels, and make real-time revenue decisions that directly impact business performance. However, across many hospitality institutions, revenue management is still introduced only at foundational level or not structured deeply enough to reflect real hotel commercial practice in its entirety. While strong brand-led exposure during internships provides valuable industry insights, building deeper in-house academic capability allows institutes to expand commercial learning across multiple brand philosophies and revenue models. This is where the need for a structured academic approach becomes important. To address this gap, we have developed the Rev Academy Curriculum Framework, or RCF. RCF is a progressive multi-level academic framework designed specifically for hospitality institutes to build revenue management capability in a structured and scalable manner. The framework offers two structured academic pathways. The first is the RCF integration model. This is a progressive multi-level revenue management curriculum that can be embedded directly within existing degree programs as a structured academic subject or specialization pathway. It allows institutes to integrate modern commercial revenue thinking into their existing academic structure while continuing to leverage their current faculty and infrastructure. The second pathway is the Revenue Management Hospitality Certification. This is a 2-semester certification track designed to run parallel to institutes' existing diploma or degree programs without requiring structural changes to university approvals. Both pathways are supported by a complete academic delivery ecosystem designed to make implementation smooth and effective. The framework includes professionally designed classroom-ready slides, detailed industry learning notes, faculty teaching guides, structured lesson plans, applied in-class activities, and commercial case discussions. Students are assessed through a structured assessment architecture that includes MCQs, written exams, case-based vivas, project components, and a capstone revenue strategy presentation. To support faculty, the framework also includes faculty training and ongoing academic handholding. In addition, the program is supported by a dedicated learning management system. This LMS enables structured digital content delivery, aligned with classroom sessions, digital assessments with performance analytics, and topic-level learning insights that allow faculty to reinforce concepts where students need more support. It also includes academic chat support for both students and faculty, strictly aligned with the curriculum content. To strengthen industry alignment, the framework includes exposure to live industry expert sessions and demonstrations of contemporary commercial tools used in hotels beyond traditional PMS systems. The objective is to enhance an institute's academic offering by integrating structured revenue management learning that improves commercial understanding, industry alignment, and placement outcomes. All this is designed while leveraging the institute's existing faculty and infrastructure. With over 23 years of industry experience across international hotel brands and active engagement in hospitality education since 2015, this framework has been designed to bridge structured academics with real hotel commercial practice. If you would like to explore how the Rev Academy Curriculum Framework could align with your institute's academic structure, we would be happy to present both integration models and discuss which approach best supports your program architecture and long-term positioning strategy. Connect with us for a short discussion to explore how this framework could strengthen revenue management education within your institute.